If DaVinci Resolve is giving you an update error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This problem is often caused by an incomplete update or permission issues during installation, so we're going to refresh the installer, run it correctly, and make sure the update finishes properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, close DaVinci Resolve completely. If it's already open in the background, make sure it's fully shut down before you continue. This matters because the installer can run into conflicts if the app is still active. Next, go to the official Blackmagic Design website and download the latest version of DaVinci Resolve. Always use the official source whenever possible, because update errors can happen when older or incomplete installer files are used. Downloading the newest installer gives you a clean version to work with. Once the download is finished, find the installer file in your Downloads folder. Now right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator. This is a very important step because a lot of update problems happen simply because Windows doesn't have enough permission to overwrite or repair the existing files. After that, follow the installation prompts carefully. If you see an option to overwrite or replace the existing version, allow it. This helps replace any corrupted, missing, or damaged files that may have caused the update error in the first place. Let the installer complete the process without interrupting it. If Windows asks for any additional confirmation, approve it and let the installation finish fully. Don't close the installer early and don't restart your computer until the setup has completely completed. When the install is done, restart your system. This final reboot is important because it helps complete the update process, refresh locked files, and make sure DaVinci Resolve launches with the new version properly applied. After your computer restarts, open DaVinci Resolve again and check that the update error is gone. In most cases, this simple method fixes the issue by replacing a faulty install with a clean one and clearing up permission problems. So to quickly recap, close DaVinci Resolve, download the latest installer from Blackmagic Design, run it as administrator, allow the overwrite prompts, and restart your PC after installation. That's the cleanest way to fix the update error and get back to editing. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve fixes, editing tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.